Hello and welcome. If you're buying a new smart TV this year, chances are you'll see Android TV, Google TV, or Webos as the built-in platform. Let's compare them fast so you know which suits you best. First, Android TV. It is Google's older base OS for TVs and streaming devices. You get great app support via Google Play, Chromecast built in, Google Assistant voice commands, and high flexibility. But on cheaper hardware, it can lag, and the home interface sometimes feels cluttered. Second, Google TV is basically a more polished UI layer over Android TV. It emphasizes personalized content recommendations, has a cleaner home screen, better content discovery, and tighter integration with Google services like Watchlist, home devices, and etc. If you like media suggestions and using Google's ecosystem, this is a big plus. Third, we have Webos from LG. It is a lean, very user-friendly platform. It's super clean in design, uses LG's Magic Remote with gesture or pointer controls, and usually feels faster on mid-range hardware because the OS overhead is lighter. The downside? Fewer apps overall, less ability to sideload, and it's limited to LG TVs. So what should you pick? If you want maximum choice of apps, deep integration with Google, like Assistant, Casting, and etc., and are okay if you need a higher spec model to avoid lag, go with Android TV or Google TV. If you prefer something clean, fast, minimal with a remote that feels slick, or you already like LG devices, Webos might serve you better. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.